Hello world. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to tap on a touchscreen. Now, I understand that tapping is something very simple and it sounds completely and utterly useful to teach how to tap, but in our business, when you're talking about older generations, it becomes complicated. Some of my students have never even touched a computer, nonetheless a touchscreen device. Now, when it comes to tapping, this video is specifically for my students, and I want to show them the difference between tapping and holding, because we all know if you hold your finger on an app or an icon, it's going to do something different than if you just tap and release. Now, this video is for my students, so here's how we do it. Now, we just log into our machine. Then here, as I tell all my students, each one of these icons is a different app for a different function. Now, tapping is as simple as tapping the screen and releasing, but you have to do it quickly. So if you wanted to go in the App Store, you tap and release, and it opens up the application. Now let's go back home. What I see every single day when I'm trying to teach my students about iPads, I see them just touch something and hold it and then let go, and then nothing happens, and then they go crazy. So this video is about tapping and releasing. So if you want to open an app, you gotta touch and let go immediately. Tap and release. Now, stay tuned because we'll have a lot more videos like this. So thank you for tuning in for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, go ahead and subscribe so you can get a bunch of videos like this. And that's about it for today.